Hi, this is Nina from ADHOOPU. Today I will introduce some traditional AV devices from bottom to top. The first one is DTP correspond, input on the left and output on the right. Okay, the next one is the recorder. And this one is multimedia telecom equipment we always see in the conference room. And this one is central control. Okay, the last one is our integrated device. This device can replace these 4 devices. By the way, we can also program according to client's request and anytime in any place. And other special function is MCU networking. It is not only light, convenience, but also efficient. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up or comments below. Thanks.